go point that was said. What would I know we are more opiate and what some so when some we are in a monk was your 4 million son. So some we are no what would you be a man of the Troy Tribo? I may have Jimmy for your Daniel Safo. Sran can be done coupon. Who pretty near trusting? Well, whom I want to get quality about. While I am not carrying among cooling dinner and that's a tear so. You are so you will never come with some come by my side. Young person trust us who have seen you many enter. Young can't but what don't want son and check. Maybe come on back, woman. Woman, oh, Jimmy Pam and Quentin. Yes, what about the that drop on some? That one is different with some was 7 years old. I'll say Coco who don't do was no tear home at home. Well, tear coaching. Miss Rowland, the only penance of the be upon mine. Would the call him cock? Would he pick him cock? Timothy no don't cock. Tito no money kind. Rather, James no cock. Yabrasuni, Miss Row. I am young son for what? What's something when you for me a whole bonny of them? Or who the to be done? Or who the answer no person? Or who the answer from the Gomora? Lord, and who see you, yes. A mere young tetograph, mere young confer in the Munansa. And trust in answer will be a same bring. Cause you call me, yo, we are cynical say. To run him slow, and mere trums are. Me and your son Coco, ya get chair. You miss the form, Pabian energy. You will fear car. I want out. The young Mabon son. The only body of the truth around it, and Mamujano, Figuano, and Yaqua. When you say, they are, you need Pagina, Benya. Cause them to form you are. What we are not to the point is our winning your money is of the Pahamiaco. But the perform you are dead. Oh, prepare heaven and so assemble could be, and I never could be not so much in Tina. A job is so warm when I call them one is as to do to a poem, no within issue ye. Say, I want some. Say, Sikasam. Say, I do my son. Say, I really. Say, I'm born in a solution to you. I'm so rapid. Or when you move more. This was some so be about Jim. My room for you already. A good for the I can send you to be. We are mobile. Then somehow they would down woman. Would you come from a young fan and mountain? I'm yet done like your camp. Paul, no baby, call what they. Woman, Jack, your more champono. Only with some packing. Only with some pursuit. Only with some patatu. Only with some packata. My baby, I was somewhat and then the Pamela Misaka. But there was so timid when you're shooting into Amen. Coronto phone me decay. Now you will Paul or Betchel. You are something. Young Helen Chiamo type or child. Crophobia Miasra among was sent. What's your own promoting and Sunday room? Coronto phone me decay. Introduce 1 Corinthians 16. Asama Paul Eka or Kater Corinthians 4. 1 Corinthians 16, verse 21 to 22. To the or say, me Paul, me summon Chili. I was for the child of what you know. Now, me summon China, me didn't know. Dear, verse 22. So, me, I'm power of the issue, Christmas Samuel. Only and channel. A very mamma. Sabama will mamma of his yapa. Pay on mamma, some of the cats and my drawn marching. Was a big Paul, Miss Seven Chia, Medema America for, Medema Canada for, Medema Brazil for, and the American for. Young too many be armed to call me, which young, Miss Seven Chin. So be, so I am a lamb, Caraboni, but from somebody or any charming continent, president and minister. So be, I'm power the issue, Asamoah. That person is accursed. Olu. Maranatha. Everybody else. Bra. Some of that person. The assembly yo. Ye send you asini na the atraman for shy. Everybody go home. Obi no wa won chawo. The assembly no carry you. So obi no wa won chawo. Ye chawo. Nenchani ni. Ye free na me. Nyankopon nipa. Wasana ngo. Ye Yesu di na sema to so. So for chira na me nyina bu chawo Paul. Say. So obi ati asasu Yesu. Na o hate Christ. That person what tie Yeshua. Bible say, such a person is accursed. What money per Claudio? To the now dear commercial said Suba woman a tell Yeshua. Was it dream? Such Sammy come to him. I saw a penny suffer. A bravo so woman said tell Yeshua. I'm doing. Tu as samedi yo. Tu as samedi yo. What's it? What do you? What do you? Tu as samedi yo. Tu as samedi yo. Yanko. It's a radio presenter. So be here. Has to see him. The DJ plays for what I'm saying. Yala. On your internet. Tu as samedi yo. Come to phone me because you do this. Tiayo. What's it? So be empire and what the Yesu Christ was saying. That we can one year. If someone hates Christ, so we power to son. Yeah, Yesu Christ. I mean, I go upon them. So penasam tia. Was it dear? John chapter 3. Besraw DJ ni hia e wo ha ya ni hia no ha sisi a. Sramo mo ben great mo ben no. Mo mo na man yen kan no ma me. Ya sami John chapter 3 verse 36. John chapter 3 verse 36. Yohania sampote mi ansa. Tiche mo adu asansia. Ya sama no kan yi pa. Ewurade beba. Ya sami yi pa. Ewurade ebeba. Yo. Ose. So obi mpa awurade Kristo Yesu asemo a onue no. Ya me do be kom kakra kire wade bi. Hwe. Yanko John chapter 3. Yohania sampa timiensa. Yohania sampa timiensa. Ntichemu a ayadu asanhia. We no Paul asemo kan ya de chairman for no. Ye ko Yesu ankasa du masabi. Yesu se sa no so kafa no. So bi mpe Yesu Kristo asemo a. Hey, papa no, mama no. Mon kan kire say me due. Sanu kwan ba ko Nyankopon yi na ba wi ase. Ya nipa yire fa so Nyankon. Obi so opono dia. E de wonyana de ne ni hihye na so okojem. Pie ni ho ba pu Yesu anya hoto. Na de me ke ho hwe asorefo. E de Kristo fo no be ka se. Wo mo de o mo nka ho. Ya sama ye kan yo. Asorefo bi de Kristo fo be ka se. Ya de ye nka ho because kwa asore. We be trawo. Amwati ni be bi ase. Se nya asore ko keke. Na kira sa won ta Yesu. Ko fo bi ti asore dem ta Yesu so woni. Ti asama no kan ye de kom. John chapter 3 verse 36. Ke de Yesu no kasa kan yo. O se de o ti o ba no die no. E wo dan kwa. Ti asama yo. Se papa bi di Yesu di a. O benya kwa. Enkwa no asase so ha eni ni wu achi. Won ko to bu nsam jim, on ko to amane hu ko. Cause Nyankopon prepare ja the amount mo yefo. O se bele bi na me do ko se fani anwoma nu. Na me nyi ho asam ka. Na na de Awurade wo ho ma tema fani. Se me mfa san se me nto amamfo ani. To asam ni yo. De Awurade wo ho ma tema fani Nyankopon ya doma next week. Ya ba be kire ba bia ademoyefo. Wo ma wa so be pra wo mu. Wo ma wi dia ba ye ni apre papa na mama toriyo e jabia siesie e dia mani panachi e beso be kum wudi di abura be kum we bia dia me kan se nyansani bia nkobon sam tunta odi atia janda ho ya na so akyerew ya kan wasam akyerew kan wo se media me kojem se nyansa bia nutu asa dwi pari nyansa wo tumu asama bi jama mfo hia no se so wo wodi nko humi to di se ya agro ni yedi ya membre bia me se nyam se wo aden ko ma bi mo wura ho just a second wo samba ko de be hia nyansa ko bi num wi a wo be fa plan ko de be hia nyansa jama so bi num cigarette wo be jan obi wi apato se wo be jan obi yirum ye 2 3 4 wo be jan la samni ye pawo tie die oji obanu die no e wo dan ko ye he ye soso so di yesu dia wo dan kwa e ye die doctor de ma wonu bia dan kwa we no ye die antonia ma ko je duro no ho ka se ma won ye bia wo be wu na yesu nsabu wo toma wo nko asaso we so wo san wo nko wo achi double fold prophet chiriye de ojo apalu die no odan kwa na de onyiru nie no chiriyo na de ontie obado ehunu kwa de ontie yesu nsam no ta yesu no wo ja paul de kaka che ose o che wa numere yi na nkyia no mu nsam ne sai so obi mpa yesu kristo asem a that person is accursed only this obi to the comfort was yesu asem on pa go to that person so be a imam anamala was yesu asem on pa be be chama ko na be te ho ase bible si due no wo achi ti no kasa ha de wanya sika to tokas wo be a storm otim to fa se due no nkan wo di kagu so na be ti due na so Autophobia ne kabu su ko jami la sama no kanini John chapter 3 verse 36 o se na de ontie obano se ka yesu ho asam chona so mfa wo asori ya ka yesu ho asam chiro de o so ye wo se wo mfa die bible se de ontie obano o hunu nkwa ne nyankopɔ bufuo e dane so o hunu nkwa ni nyankopɔ bufo tado so uko Hebrews 10:31 oba kyerɛw sɛ nyankopɔ te ase ne nsɛm hwɛ yehu Nebukadnezar fi nyankopɔ nsɛm o te akonya so na no ayɛ sɛ pantrea no ne ho asase fu takra ɔno kokɔ bowura wuram so wasase wi wura 7 years and over no wi wura sɛ ni panyansa wo e kyerɛ nyame tumi ani nyankopɔ ho ɔden ahemfo be sramuntie no bie ni ho na hinie aburu Nebukadnezar tima mana dan ya boa na ahemfo domu atombo asombosom awa punyame nim de afiri ho entu nro ni abosom awurate so papa yo hena bompa e ma no wate wo maame ye hena bompa e ma no na ahemfie be na bosom nsim ahemfie mai ko David no mahiniam ko de Hezekiah no mahiniam so be hunu bosom ho a o hini bi oba wi ase a ahemfo mu be dikan ahemfo mu be tosom yim o hini bi oba wi ase o de abosom ebu ni nko nyanya mi ku o kunu to man hunu ku ebe nyam de yankopon ye dey because wo Yesu Kristo aba ma dom na doso to be ti bosom ho ni yankopon hwe no wo yi da bi asio ni sra nyame e ba ahemfo no so obi ngu e obosom wote bosom so ne ye kron ne ye huru obi wu ye hwe na se de waya honto ti se pa ne Yesu e point o se bra be bia konwa no se no ka so yo ho a te mu ko si ahini mu hini bi asamba ba wo ko di sabotisha o se hwe ahimfo binom e ba presa o mu ko sa buom yiri mu o mu so o mu pe wu awu so nsanka nipa be bro awurade ye kasa se ya ye de ya na kasa nipa bi na opu Yesu a ti Paul se me kyerema nyumiri me kyerema maranata awurade baba na awurade ba no ja de ma uni Sasa Yesu na obeba no. Wo ba hwe wiase nyina so apo no a ba breyi papa. Me ya so re ho asam na me ka wo. Ya wo ya elder na nko hwan sofo ifa to nchan. Ye ka he me asam mo mfa sofo ne ye kwa asore sam no mu nchan. Ya asam ni Tiri ya kan yi pa. Men kasa wo kwa asore ye a very good. Men kasa wo sofo nye, wo sofo di wani ma good. But men fire no nya plan say. Me sofo ni, na me so me ye sofo, te ni santi me ko heaven. Ube mu na sofo bi on be ko bo nsam ti. Ye wo de ko na sofo ho. Ye wo ba asofo ho. Na me bele ni so ka me try reference no kire wade. This asofo tabe ya bia comfort ye ni bia. What asema ye kan. E don za comfort ye he ko to bota. Omo nyuma na be kire so me ya ko bi fu asofo. E so dem ho de om ti wo ye. Ha ruade beba titie obi bia wonimu Yesu no onte Yesu no ni nkwa Yankopon bufuo danso Yankopon bufuo danso o so say whosoever wa ma obi din alentina opa bo so asem na opa super sika asem wo pa ma asem wo pa adwuma asem asem Yesu wo presi nyame no me yaguso ya tendidie kase paase obi akyewade na wanye sisi asa o hempo bi akyewade ese ma som me nko ase wo mo fa de we nko kye panyina sumasi mbi ade nko panyina sumasi se menye o fa na de nko ya tendidie kase pa Yankopon ma Yesu be wu ama papa se de Yankopon si do wiase ni odo wo a wo ti wiase ni ne so yi Yesu ne ba is a gift atade wo de ne ma wo se ginidi ne nyankwa ko wiase nyina da no mim wiase nyina da no mim o wo Yesu sin kaya wiase da no mim was a many wiase han Yesu abasa light ni baby that place is corrupted say pro abasa han wo Yesu sin kaya you are life e wo yie papa ukojim baby abo ni akere kon on se odi bachi kojim bachi ba ne toso odi ne tu jogbrogbrogbrachi sa jemu guru na de hwe nyansa oko proverb chapter 7 abekira wo ema odi obadwa manfo achi e wa wire frem onum se pia na obande ko wu ani mamu na kotobo nsam jim ya kai ne bu se mutin so kokosi mede bi abeka wo unity bema unity ama bekum okay so you have to use common sense tina wa bi mu mpo o se ye no mo ntren nim diem acha se wa kana se bro somebody use ma from Genesis chapter 3 ya tinya men ko fo ka se gu fom e ko bi Solomon faso e ko bi Samson faso e ko bi Adam faso Kenyamin ko fa befa kase even David. Enso Yankopon dum ntige wo mba no bi wo mu a wo bun ton wo mo ho ma baifo wo bun ton mo ho ma bonsam enum kasa the dress and the huni subai kama ya won so bonsam sam so the Satan timi yusu no wo ya be ma wonya sa wo bai we bi ware a wo have a call simple la ko nya ko before man bi bo ko do be fasoro ma bi nya ba ko da yo asemi wo mu sa be man wo the family head wo the abusuanity o mu da because Yankopon hu ni mu ko be fanya me sam dia extra warriors wo ti asema ya kan be di jiwa tabu ho fofo onim sa wo ye Yesu na musini de man abo onim sa wo ye abusuanity to mu hwe be ke kafumi ye ni kwaso kan dia chawo you are some can you pa and insult say Yankopon e dia de be chaw na so wo mpe wonye so de o si do wa do no de Yesu amawo Paul says how puna die Luke chapter 16 si kan bi pu Yesu die no what ase woni wuachi si ya de o mfa obi anka o Abraham is over to you. When you told me, I was saying, you wouldn't quite Papa de Bonias with him. Open it takes the wise, to selling the good. You are saying, it will wouldn't quite Papa de Bonnie. It is see one can say the branch of Jimmy. It is really a seal. Certain with the re a seal. Namid Papa, telling the Abra was with you. The appetition see when I'm being shoes with you. Who young son of you will be a petition. Papa Bonnie wouldn't quite as winning. To the open the pa said, Papa, you will be part to Nico, you would here. So we'll deal and go for him more. As some year power. Some mammy bit Nico, ye drama more dear. We'll deal and go for him more. A rather baba, or will be a country of a resident in Machi. There are some no can ye. So the young couple to do, yes, in John chapter 3, verse 69 FM. But in Doba Koramau. Also, when ye fine. I don't carry. The power punti also be pulled at you. At say, what can I say the young couple do? We are seeing so about at all, say, and you moment. But we don't catch them, the cousin to this. What can I say the young couple do? We are seeing any shot. What them ma about to a good reaction. Some by my monk sa. Some be to carry. Some be hope. Bonfanko. No. One cousin, the young couple see more, we are seeing any shot. What then lamb near Petoshe, or be a beer bar. Uncle Sans Lamone. What was a we are saying there? Would your Petoshe never bra? Who are your pa? Yet can't walk. I've also the blood and you pass as well, yet I walk to them. That could be a liberty now, what just matter. What the general that you're answer? You are such a guy. You may choose to do whatever you like, but I'm telling you one thing. And your papa, they never share the party. And come with a China there one day. The one never kill, never was not the gym. See, can you kill? Look at the system. President Kim was Abraham. Let me name. Let me name more. Let me name. Send it power. The party assassin one son. Maybe you can't do so. Your man for warrior. Hey, but wasted life. I say so. Abraham, boy, in a wasted life. Auntie, what tells a real bar to them? A bower to a jamamo. Also, Suban to Baba, I couldn't tell me what. You are some year. Yes, you said, only a demand money and found man cramama. Who's a crammer Subanti, or be out in the papa, the boy. Was one among Pai Bobby. This one test says, I buy a snow be so much timber will be so. I know me to pipe. I know me you crying. What about Cray? Over farmer Beman in wonder. Or we need 9 FM. To a man who will go with papa. No, some few be arguing and go. The way you bomb or tea about it the way you call him. Kumbi Bubi prepared into Uncle and 2 years in me. I don't trust him, my brother in the Sawan here. Secondary school, who use family planning. Secondary school, even Jesus, who use family planning. What creation? Obabro, Miss Rena, member said, and what the young son would be, the success of the Bob. We are saying your papa here. Why? We do have a young son, a good baby, a baby on your father. So the young couple do we are so near. There is a boy we are to us the baby lecture. One can yes, whom by yes more. One can you make don't way. Who just see car? Then I mean, as I go to the way yes, cow. What I say? I had to be a parcel, young couple years to abandon our poor papa. Nananum, Miss Rabunanum, Nansa, Yamedia Mamma moved. Now go point and rat was so big as a Tiamo. Now go point domain. Mama chapter 13, now go point a him for any presidents, no, as this is for. Or see and Cassan Tiamo and Nibatan. Tiamia Mam, Nansa Cosso, 7 from Mugua mine. What Daniel Yansan, the Ayabos Yansan, which you should go. I in favor of most wishes at them time. Tiasamio, who Patamuchan and Coupon and Coupon Munyansa, the boy. Who pass on Yanko for saying, I mean, 2 minutes, the boy. Can you say, Yantonia Manico could be the boy we are? Not connected, the we are at all. To the power, among power. I didn't know consort to the highest power. But there no power upon your deity, fake powers, no dealing. Whatever Baba Dina Sasako, to Mama Bosman Cobasa, Simon Fanco Trust.
99.9 FM.
You are the only pop of what? Dear, Obi, our airborne or tires. Pia, our airborne or tires. John chapter 12. Really has sympathy to me. Whatever. You only have sympathy to me. John 12. What's our temper? What's our tell for the moon? Say, what do you do? What told you my yes? Into him, sir, what tempana, and never really. You deep one and what time I know. Of course, some back come watch us, see what. Mr. That years to Beba, it was our best safe. I saw them. It should be played with some cocoa. Oh, yeah, sorry, I was here one, Mam, of Mammy, why you want no pa? A list to carry out one. Why is a pumping Tico called in Tico? That I'm on from control. I'm on force through the winning. Or level the Kuta away or go through. Why is a conform Muslim bin at all? Yes, I can you. Who goes already must say, as of Mammy's way. Now, what if I wanted to reassert? What tires you know, so winning Munti? Wouldn't say what done? John chapter 12, verse 44. The Bible. John 12, 44 to 46. Key. Or say, now, yes, you clear Messiah. There was Jimmy Dio. And you know Jimmy Dio. Na eye de osoma me no Nyankopon de opuna apu Nyankopon atwade ayo de ba wi asoro no upu Yesu apu Nyankopon malama na yimam me peka me ma tiasese Muhammad o ye Nyankopon ni pa o je nkwa o I was saying make it clear to you me what time ya me ni problem de wa de se me nkama be kancho what you say say kabira o na ndo ko ni tresi Abraham ase said Abraham, the year Sarah food for Emma Cocofa Hagar, Sarah Bawa Hagar, house girl, Abraham a Cocofano. I know Ishmael. Ishmael as if for the Mohammed as if for. What has American say? Ishmael as if for any Mohammed as if for. And if you have a Coladi flow, or for Abraham as if, now so quite better fast to be Abraham or Timpan, house girl, or Cocofano, a Bacani Isaac. The back of the proof of the way. But can be Isaac. It was Isaac Cassie Fobu and the best Raman. I mean, Genesis. Shamful Unica credit to one German sign. A year and 1 year. What a manipa be Samson and counsel for. As soon as I was on one Casio and so pressure and a time and he had to make me fear and a didn't the bush a decent. Tian Luba Kunjamun and watch was a good for the common something. Ubo who say be two afiri because what Jesus would. Into one tie Yesu no also put to tie Yesu bi. What put you at tie Yesu bi. And so on classy. Be very careful. Ya ka gala ti form metin na nchemo dio no ba kono so hoko. Maybe be swa. To asemi we ya djuma na unya aboafo ya pa. Ke here 2 hours. To break someone to Ghana. E dey botima mu nyina mo bi atene ho aso. If the kind of religion I don't want to as soon as I don't want to be very wise. Why you mistake in life? Genesis chapter 21. Maybe I know can be traced back to Genesis. Woman, share what dear be share what say. What has American? Quebec show near maybe I say. Sure. Ya Genesis chapter 16. Kai chapter in Kokosi. But never compare Genesis chapter 21. I may come from verse 9 and tell what he was in a Sarah, a whom is really Hagar, a ba or woman, Abraham no say, or this how a fellow, their son was no catcher Abraham say, Pama Afnai, and in a battle. Pamafnai, Erne Bano, Nanya Fnai, Eba, Enemy Ba Isaac, and the Bediadia. You see the point? Sarah, Biadian Claire, Yatu, Ne Ismail, and Isaac, and the Bediadia Boom. Ismail and Panaba, house girl, Deborah and Kofan. Well, Abraham Massive, that's why house girl, Eba, Deborah and Kofan. The Yanko Poso di Kaka Abraham said, Mishra was for the Ismail Sufi Abraham Massive, to say, should be corpse. They were a physical blessing, yes, spiritual. Tia ko who pass here for heaven, which mean for Muhammad is on for heaven. A point blank, that was a catch-all. With the tires, in some year make case about time to be found beyond walls. Who come here for a baby to Paul who and gospel let them. Peter who call him. Jesus ni papa not who you. Jealous is your time Methodist, the founder of Methodist, John Wesley. And who call him gospel nebu. That some I want to ask you in a terms or me ever. Other Puyesu. If the chosen about Kosabi and his prophecies are fire soon. The winner so on fire. Bible said, so being paying for someone. That person is a curse on me. The new word, Rebecca said, my mistake. Cremoni Sacrabe for you. Was on so many Sacrabe for you. Well, I'll put you to sign what you have for you. That's why you are quite. You know, I couldn't come. We'll be doing going and go punching. This one, I'm used to. Would be a mistake in life. Won't cry back up. Any Mohammedism, any Akonedism, you can cook some. Near Tonya Manson, and Kuta Jesus. Genesis 21. Verse 10. Was it a catcher Abraham said? Pamafunai, I didn't bang. And you want to buy Isaac in the video. Verse 11. Was it an Ebano, Enti, Assembly Abraham ye. Assembly. Verse 12. Was it on Yankopon, a catcher Abraham said? Emma Abufrano, and Wafana Assemble, and Yawia. Yankopon a Casao, a Mabufrano Afana Assembly Yaw. Was not the Sarah, a catcher on in a tear. Your casa of father of fire, a video of Kawaya. Mistake we are, it's Yawa. Was in Isaac Kimu? I know better friend was for. Hey, Isaac Kimu, I know better friend was for. Verse 13 was in Afanabano, and so. Mayan or my cassia, if you say, where you were singing. What you would think I catch or say, and that's not bad, the baby idea, but Michigan because every one feel was sick. Remember, the minutes down, you to talk us. That's what happened, part there. That means I didn't come before. So, man, Sacrament 5 years, some come on, you are going to hell straight. Some also over control. Ha! Dear. Amenko maybe I run a power year rade. Amenko Genesis Galatians chapter 4 verse 21. I mean me when you was adding also. The contemporary Galati formula 89. Timu bi no baako. We dey obeka the Old Testament here. Amenko Galati formula 89 timu baako. Timu Galatians chapter 4 verse 21. Was some mo pese mo se mrasiem tie. On can tell me. Won't tell you, man, say, Anna. No, what you said. Now, Abraham, I will never leave you. Obako, I have Framba. Galati form Matin, teach a mobile about making come. Abraham will not remember me. Obako, I have Framba. That year was it Obako, I on this year back. Fine. You have Framba this year, Ban. About 23. Was it not the Oya Framba? Wono, who now console, or the Jamamona wono, or the Patrina wono, was it all this year, Bano dear? When I'm bossa so, Genesis chapter 18, and go for more focus, say Abraham. So, when I'm bossa so, nobody Isaac. Just me, I don't know, verse 24. Was a Sunday, I have got to home if he said, Woman, I have pum you, about good free senai. Ebe poso ya wo egu enkoyem tienio oba ko firi na ebe poso ya wo gu enkoyem ono ene Hagar 25 Hagar ba so ni Ismael was na Hagar anything na depo ya ewo Arabia the Saudi Arabia we are Christian now de ko ho so mu nkoa ko boy Yesu di o Saudi Arabia so mu nkoa. That is the scriptural history. Obu mpe Yesu asem mo bebre papa awie ye ti he ka se fo ne ku Saudi Arabia no the Saudi Arabia fo ni na so enkramofo so ma hade me kan so a me bo apufu ko Saudi Arabia ko boy Yesu di o so mo pe Yesu asem wo wa Paul se mu nwie then come for Yesu ma o remember John chapter 12 verse 44 you see abi bi a very careful what up Yesu bobo John chapter 12 you are saying verse 44 John 12 say ya kasa say ya maybe am kasa chere nyansafo ba mfa de e kan no da che obebre say da che na be ka the same kwaso ya say me te e ka chere wo da che na be kai o say na ko bi te ho kekan kwaso asem na me nim san kwaso asem no kekan na so me fa ya nka abo ame wan fa nti be ko bu nsem jim upu Yesu wo se de oba de on tie oba no oni nkwa ne nyankopɔ bu fo dan so what does it John chapter 12 verse 44 Yesu tie mu say de odi die no ayami no odi die o na ye de osoma me no 45 wo se na de ohumi no de ohumi no ohuru de osoma me no ma baby ya se han no obi a odi die no antuna fun ya sam ni yo ma baby ya se han enti obi a odi die no antuna fun enti ma baby ya se han enti mini ya se han that is Jesus yanko John chapter 3 verse 20 it is where conformity to Jesus so munim John 3 verse 20 oni asempa timiensa semo biunu ti asem ni yo o se ma ba wi ase han ti han no John 3 verse 20 o so obi a o ye boni no e tai han no what the point na say obi a o ye boni no e tai han no ti asem ni yo enti enkofo bi tai Yesu e so mu nim just here whosoever commits sin hates Christ. Tia sorry awko ya so sem na meka so di sofo na fa grofo ire nkoko mu a what by Christ Paul say won pay Yesu asem nti dia you don't love Christ you hate him who don't know nka woni bone da bo na sem yam na moja prano so won don't know ka won timi ti oba bi nko se kokoko mu nko repo no e ko huni papa yes ya pasi pufu ade ni na chiro di Paul e me di ko di Paul so hu wo mo ye Kristo dia no mo ye fake bia wo dina ho aso de wo to ni mu nti woni so ye Kristo dia wo so bia wo ye bone no otai ai no na Paul say they won't pay Yesu asem that means that they will die Yesu no that person is accursed in chama de mo ma yumre no o ta o twempna wo mpna wo so ti aso dem to collect in 2 times me boa and so we do Yesu the fact is that we deep on no the wo ye ma Yesu nyina fa so ni so o tam o ta o ti chun be ma ko bo sa ko do poninti o ko sa dwaye o ko sa dem ba bi na o ti chun be ma na wan ba ti sa di wono ba bi adam wo ye normal de when you know the asore no e ti aso da bi mu amanfo hu sa wo do Yesu wo ye correct there you deep on it no what the trouble be award you la sama kan yo obi a o deep on no what tie no and you hate Christ wa bra o deep on just me Roman for mo ya start to see so dem na man for koto ya bosom na bosom de we so say Yesu de growth so mo kwa ya bosom na mo nkokoto monument me dia me nko ho dawo de sa pa na tete a Roma sorry some bosom. Jasam, ya person ni paba yira o. Ya ni enya sorry ba ku baby dia o. What you say? Ma sorry ya mi kodi. Sabe kwa sorry bia, men say sorry no kwa na ya me dia. Obi o pe ha dia ko bia na we are fighting for God to take people to heaven. Me America no so me nya kwasia. Me so me ga be hu yi. Na man kwa ya de mfra. you're very careful papa my life so obo basum no mobia e me nyansa na de me ko ubum kwasea na mamu amfa so bia nyame no adi masema what asema ya kana so tientimi nware man se de pe e bobo ko bibira ni bia e nyansa bi na de yam na sami kam ya bre abrante abasiso metima winsan ya beta mato ye no saso na se mi dibronya no ni ehuro ni ade me ko ponchi bia obewu a odi hene ote kame ma peme kame tuma se somebody bi masa tia sara kaniyo but we the jini kwachi sasa bi nyasa ne me wonyina ma bra bo ho na bi wu ampa so be ne ne sa nyansa we na awurade ehu yemo bo ade na mu wiase e jini da achi iban fa nyansa awurade ba ma so ko di obi ho to ama wade na gu so we ya so bi elder we ya declare o kwa sorry o what me di wudi tro o wura fie we ma e wode obeka wasa tumi wo masao wo mai bia wo dome no na wo ye ewie o wa abobonu ya no na wu obi tomo na so kwa sorry odum se be kwa sorry am si aso da nti me do yesu mon kan kira president Akufo Addo ma me sai ma mo ben no aso da ya o si no kama wa ya ade no se ade ode abosonsom abaka the president ho a wata yesu owu obekogem wa sakra ja sama ye kan yi ya ne council of state yam frɛ say yamra metran bi o mu hia babro court kura no babro o mo te o be hada de ma manfo na o mo kantam wa bra babro yesu aka no Matthew 5 say mo kantam Kristo ni ko gina daka mu a na judge na magistrate na lawyer no de babro amano wo se soe na Kristo ni pa wa ni fra woni mo bankum no nifa no atam babro no osoe na nwa hwa me donyame na asema me be kan na that shall not swear. Matthew chapter 5. Also when you fra wodi mo bankum Kristo ni awabon ha wodi say yutubu so wo do awurade de o ti bone no ka han no ebi num nsan ebi guru mo yiri num ebi tuzuro aposon ebi wiatofo niema ebi num yiri ya bi enum yensan nan ebi je price ebi kum ni pahie ebi ni amanfo yaka ebi eheti otan yonko ha ebi munikum obi so kum tokwa bi so lesbians sodomi ba tumuntumu na ekoso ebi emu awofo obi mpo na awofo yaka ewurade ebi yi sai ma yetobu ebi so jaware akofa be ma fofo me se aware se pa egrofo aware no mu koburu nsam kemu ewurade hu ni tomo ha Trasami yo, ebi so yo bo se wiase na nim openti na nim ni trimi yanko James. When you go sorry mo, you say you do ade, medo no masumu. We are normal there. There will be born no ta han no. There will ye who say wiase no, ota Yesu. Why you who say wiase na gina ho. Ke wanim no, we wanim ka wutimi egutu so ke wano ke wani eti ni wani atata wa hyehyɛ wodi wati Pentecost aso there wie why wo be hu wie pa afafo mo ka no kura o fra buodi pa na nugu hoji obusika ewurade baba beto wate wo hu wie pa ya ko James bi je ma hu sa wo pre ma me 5 minutes in count so di asemi tie James chapter 4 verse 4 was say I want to sorry for what were Kristo what I could have bought some at all I want to sorry for when you say we are say Adam for fun any otaya when yankupon what don't you know who person dress say we are say who share we are say who copy we are say sa na abasho sa na yeshe no sa na star abasho and now pam mini pam skinny na brema pa wa setwa na skinny aya ne pampe ne hwa nyina gum pampe gwa bonten na die DJ ja microphone pe yo msro hwa obi so skinny no ba ne ni gum ne ho nyina hye ne ni yeshe na se nyina bibi skinny jasa mema to da bi na no na mti yase e bi pencil mo be se dia di oya no ho se wiase no wo tira ho se nyankopɔ tamfo ti asam ni yo ha dige mesra course re befa 3 minutes per wo mo binu ma yeso mo mo me nti ma me mfa me nkoba sem na me nkoso nkama sem na me
aka 4 minutes
me mfa 2 3 no mo so mfa 2 ti asem ni yo hwa e bi je o se nyankopon tamfo enti wo ya wo se wiase no de wiase ye na wo kope wiase awade ene e wade pa manfo ye dige wo kuta be millions of cities awon timi ware ni ma ti se chenchiri wo bi wade gon pa one time ko wade bi wo ba no tiatia wade atade so sa fe nka fom brain om so no mujina why so wo shadem simple star wo kopi wiase ha asaba ba do bi mi bere de tiame na ya krofo bi ka yesu so bu nim ya bon ka asapa 9 verse 3 asma fo nyuma etin kron temo miensa bi ye misrawo ma me ko prophecy se wo yesu ho no Deuteronomy chapter 18 verse 15 maybe say see awate Deuteronomy chapter 18 die Moses ka so di fo bi ti sabe ada wade mu Nyankopon be yi na ma me e be yi na ma mo na be ba so obi a won tie sa odi fo no obi twene firi ni mu nwatre sako John chapter 6 verse 14 yesu hunu sanchere asuafo ne dom na aka hunu sanchere na yesu ye obo ka se odi fo oba wiase bi kwasomafo nyumati miensa temo de onu mienu e de onu miensa wosehwe ana asomafo no so ko to Moses dia no so na oba Matthew chapter 17 verse 5 yesu ko sanchere be porso teniyo woni James Peter na John omo ko bopae omo wie mpae no ape kabo se Peter ka se yesu ye mi asese miensa Elia de baako Moses de baako Yesu so de baako ani Nyankopon ka kire bi ebianum nyina hye sabra na Peter ka sa aso Peter de Yesu toto Moses ho toto Abraham ho toto enuanum aka Moses Elia no ho wani Nyankopon no it's never like that wani Nyankopon ma Elia ho eni Moses ho ko ani